Ever since Ford announced the return of the Bronco, we could not wait to get our hands on one. And here we are. It's a Bronco. Actually, there's a little bit more, because this is not just any old mere Bronco. This is a Bronco Raptor. So what's so special about a Bronco Raptor? Keep on watching, we'll tell you all about it. I'm Randy Stern with George Torneline, and this is Victory in Reseda. The Ford Bronco brought back the Blue Oval brand back into the off-road parks and onto the rocky trails. It is a highly capable off-road SUV that would rather lead you across the toughest terrain you could think of, even if it's a potholed street or a snowed-in neighborhood. For those who think a Bronco is not enough to satisfy your quench for adventure, there is the Bronco Raptor. Each Bronco starts off with a design that brings you back to the original 1966 model. A squared-off body that is both modern and purpose-built. Ford brought in many cues from the original, such as the round headlamps and removable doors and roof that invite you to tackle anything in its wake. The Bronco Raptor adds a specific grille, specific Ford Performance heavy-duty modular bumpers with removable end caps, bolt-on extended wheel arches, rock rails with removable running boards, heavy-duty full vehicle steel bash plates, a hood ventilation system, and a set of 37-inch all-terrain tires on 17-inch alloy wheels. That's just what you see, but there's more. The chassis features an upgraded Haas 4.0 suspension setup using Fox Live Valve 3.1 internal bypass semi-active dampers. There's also a front stabilizer bar disconnect. The result is greater articulation over uneven surfaces and a softer ride overall. Underneath the hood is a larger 3-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6. Power goes up to 418 horsepower with 440 pound-feet of torque. All Bronco Raptors are equipped with the 10-speed automatic transmission and the terrain management system with 7 GOAT modes to choose from. You also get a series of buttons controlling both the front and rear axles and to maximize maneuverability on various terrain and surfaces. When you finally stop and enjoy the scenery, check out the interior. You are greeted with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster that is customizable that sits alongside a 12-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system. The seats are firm and very supportive. The one thing you will find in the Bronco Raptor, or any Bronco model, is how easy it is to drive. There's no front axle buck when you do tight maneuvers. The suspension is highly adjustable, and access to the four-wheel drive and its components are very easy.
So Randy, looks like we're finally in a Bronco.
Yes, not just any old Bronco, but a Bronco Raptor. I'm really enjoying the Bronco Raptor. Now, there's many reasons to get into.
Absolutely. How Ford executed this Bronco and the Raptor features really make this a pleasant vehicle. It's comfortable. It rides well. It handles really well considering the 37-inch wheels and tires.
And not only that, but also some technical stuff such as you have plenty of adjustments available. You know, you can change the temper of your steering. You can also change your suspension settings. And there's so much going on with this, with the Bronco Raptor, that you'll find that there's more of this compared to, say, the regular Broncos. Each Bronco is very special in its own right. You could do a lot more things, not just taking it to the mall.
But I think this is a good actual daily driver almost, because the comfort in this is very good. All considering that you're on big wheels, a lifted suspension, and you have all of this performance capability. It's still a very comfortable vehicle at the end of the day.
That is true. One caution, don't look at your fuel economy gauge. We're not going to mention what we're averaging right now, but that is the only downfall on it being a daily is, you got to be able to be more cognizant of what your fuel economy is. However, it does take according to Ford, you can put in 87 octane, regular unleaded.
Which is great.
Which is great.
If you're going to be road tripping this, one word of caution is the wind noise coming in through the tops.
Yes.
There is a bit of wind that does come through there, so be aware of that. Be awesome to take off in the summertime and enjoy the fresh air and take the doors off and enjoy the vehicle to its fullest potential.
And the 3 panels right above the seating area, also you can put into bags and attach it into the cargo hold against the rear seat.
Sure, so you can pop them back in should a rain shower come through or something.
Yes, and the same thing with the doors. Once you remove the doors, and according to Ford, it's a very easy operation to do, we really need to start comparing this to the other SUVs in its class. And that includes the Jeep Wrangler, the Toyota 4Runner, and if you want to spend a little bit more, there's always the Land Rover Defender and the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. So the issue with the Wrangler is that even though we talked about how easy this vehicle is to drive, it is much easier than the Wrangler because you still have to worry about levers in order to get to four high and 4 low. There's no automatic anything in the Wrangler. However, this is where I start telling people how balanced the Raptor is, say, versus a Wrangler, and definitely drive both of them.
Just how it integrates as a package, the suspension, the tires, the steering, the control, and maneuverability is really a nice package. I'm really impressed with that.
I agree. I completely agree. That's why I'm really enjoying the Bronco Raptor. I mean, I'm very surprised. I mean, I really shouldn't be, because Ford has done a brilliant job in creating the Bronco by itself. And then adding that Raptor element to it.
Would you say that the Bronco Raptor surprised you in how refined and usable this product is?
Absolutely. That's exactly what I'm getting at, is how refined this product is, how accessible everything is to the driver, and how easy it is to maneuver and just drive.
In our thermal imaging tests, the heated front seats offered good heating element coverage in the lower and mid-back sections, though in the seat bases, the heating elements just follow under where the legs rest. Yet they did a good job of providing warmth. Though a heated steering wheel is available for the Bronco Raptor, our tester was not equipped with that option.
The Bronco Raptor is available only in the 4-door model. It is one of 10 Bronco trim levels available, with some offered in a 2 or 4-door body style. And in some models, you could choose it with a soft or a hard top. The Bronco lineup starts from $32,295. Our tester came with a sticker price of $75,770. Well, the wait was worth it. We got ourselves a Bronco, and we got a lot more than we asked for. You know, this Raptor is just absolutely incredible. It's just exactly the type of SUV you need if you're just going to do more than just crawling to the mall. I mean, if you're going to go over rocks, if you're going to go over craggy passes, terrible roads, hey, this is the one to do it in. However, these Raptors are rare, and they're going to require you to place an order for one. But if you can't wait for a Raptor, then any other Bronco will do, as long as you can get one and you could have fun with one. And matter of fact, you're going to have a lot of fun in a Bronco, more so in a Raptor. So, if you like what you're watching, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell in order to find out when our next video comes out. And log on to randystern.net to read all of our great content on Victory and Reseda. I'm Randy Stern with George Torline. Thanks for watching.